Hi, I'm Eric. This is Sabrina, and what we're gonna do today is give her a little afro. So Sabrina's got really straight, kind of a good amount of hair, pretty thick, and what we're gonna do is do a little set on some hairpins, and then pinch it with a flat iron, and it gives a really cool, sort of really kinky, sort of textured effect. And it's really kind of like we'll give her the opposite hair texture that she has naturally. What we're gonna need for this is comb. These U-shaped hairpins, the large ones. We're gonna be using the Flex hairspray and a flat iron. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a section of hair and put the pin through down to the bottom, and then I'm just gonna start wrapping the hair in a figure 8 around it. And then when I get down to the bottom, I'm just going to crimp the pin. So I'm just gonna move the pin over to hold the hair in. All right, so we've got all the hair wrapped up in the little pins. You can see, gone all the way around, just random sections. And now what we're gonna do is the next step is we're gonna use this Flex hairspray, and we're gonna coat each one with a good amount of hairspray, and then we're gonna pinch it with a flat iron. And what that's gonna do is really lock in this new texture. So I'm just taking one like this. And I'll maybe do another one. And then I'm just gonna take the iron in. All right, so now we've gone ahead and we went through, sprayed hairspray on each little section and pressed it with the flat iron. So now we're gonna start taking them out. I'm gonna start down over here on the bottom. You just unkink the pin. And then just push it out. And you can see what you get. So you can see I've got them all taken out. This is what we're left with, right? Very curly, and now I'm just gonna start breaking it apart. Great, so this is where we ended up for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and keep checking back for more stuff.